Hey guys, Sandeep here and welcome to another video. We are finally going to be taking a look at this gauze set by Brustro. This is a 24 color tube gauze set available in a cardboard box. So a lot of you guys have been waiting for this review since Creative Hands have launched this set. I'm so glad that I'm finally getting to share it with you. I was excited to try it and to play with the gouache, and at the same time kind of hesitant about what to expect from the quality, as I have never used gouache set before. I have done watercolors and acrylic paints but never used gouache before. So my first impression, was not really sure what to expect. I could see really like the color choices. It is pretty nice paint. Itself looked pretty creamy. I wasn't sure how was the paint going to dry out, whether the colors will be nice and saturated. Hopefully I will be able to answer those questions for you guys. If you follow me on social media, I have painted this piece 2 days ago. We will talk about everything that is written on tube, the pigment, and everything you need to know about, even the watercolors, the CI number, that is color index, all starts with the P for pigment. If you will see clearly on the tubes, PY, P1, PB, these stand for pigment, and next letter stand for the hue, like B for blue, BR brown, Y yellow, Y violet, etc. The number tells the specific pigment. We don't need to know the chemical name, so it is enough to compare one point tube to another. Pigments are created by modifying which colors are absorbed. Example, leaves of green plants contain a pigment called chlorophyll. If you have read in your schools, which absorbs the blue and red colors of spectrum and reflects the green. So let's start swatching the colors. I have taken a Chitrapat paper 440 GSM from HTC online. I kind of like this gauze really much. The quality of this set is quite good. It's just the convenience. It is so easy to use because the point is affordable. I don't have those fears of wasting too much expensive paint, and when I'm ready to start something new. So the best supplies are those that are going to encourage you to create more art. If a brand is going to intimidate you because you are worried about using up expensive paint and it's just gonna hinder you and you are not going to produce as much as I know, this is an hard and fast rule. So I love finding art supplies that work for me and make me excited to paint more, create and explore more. And this set definitely hits that mark, and this really is priceless thing to me. I have used 300 GSM CP paper from Brustro. It is working really nicely for gouache. If you will ask how is gouache paints different from watercolors, Like gouache is more opaque than watercolor. Due to transparency of a watercolor, the light is able to travel through pigment and reflect it off the white paper, giving it a luminous quality that differs from gouache matte finish. If you will clearly look at the colors, it is quite matte. Gouache dries very fast and has the ability to become transparent enough to be used in technique called glazing. By thinning the paint with water, we can layer it on top of pointed area that are drawing to enrich an existing color or create new one. Like you can say in this one, blending of three different colors is quite easy. Even you, if you want to create a layer on the top of the light color, it will be easy for you to blend the colors. You don't have to wait too much long like in watercolors to colors to get dry. And gouache are a little costly than watercolors is just because it has more pigment in its binder, so the price is costly. Here are some features on the back of the tube: highly pigmented, bright opaque colors, superior matte velvet finish, strong coverage power, intermixable, and light fast. So if you will ask what is light fastness, it is a property of a color such as a dye or a pigment that tells how resistant to fading it is when exposed to light. So if you will buy this set and you will see in two colors, uh, maybe a hot pink and rose. You will see that in hot pink a square is half filled, which means it can fade when exposed to light easily. All these tubes have written a code on the top. Like for PG, it will be a pigment green, and codes are the hues from low to high. Pigments PG for green. As I have told you before in the start of the video, color is uncountable, the spectral composition of visible light, while pigment is any color in plant or animal cell. We will try this gouache on a black paper. If you have used acrylics, and for me it works like same. Blending is so easy. Colors look so vibrant on each kind of paper, like on white, black, or I will show you I have used it on brown book too from Ayush papers. Let's paint something on a Chitrapat paper 440 GSM. The back side of your tubes, there is a logo of ASTM. ASTM is a worldwide standard for permanence. It monitors quality, permanence, and health guidelines. Like if ASTM 1 stands for excellent light fastness, 2 for very good, and 3 not sufficient light fast. So permanency is important in painting because the length of time a pigment retains its original color value determines the life expectancy of work of art. So I hope you will enjoy this painting. even if you are a beginner, it will be easy for you to use this color. So without a second thought, you can go for these colors. As even I have never used gouache before, so it was easy for me to use. Even the blending was easy. Focus on yourself and enjoy painting and experimenting. When an art supply doesn't that for you, that's a valuable thing. So I got myself to buy products that one more reliable and that do what I want them to do. Sometimes those are affordable cheap gauze sets like this one. Sometimes it's expensive watercolors, papers or brushes. So with time I'm allowing myself to find supplies that I love as I oppose to buy and need the work. I really enjoyed this gauze set. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. Check out this set if you are interested. I think it's a great place to start whether you are a beginner or a professional. Thumbs up for me if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.